Because they have more communication inside the court. Ito ang gustong makita ni Coach Rico para sa Lady Troopers. He also said that they have to take responsibility at lagi nga ako ng lahat ng bolang dadating sa kanila. He is also looking for more plays at kailangan maging magdiskarte ang kanilang pag-atake. Meanwhile, for Smart Maynilad, ni-remind ulit sila ni Coach Roger na kailangan nilang bawasan ang kanilang errors. Huwag nilang bigyan ng pagkakataon na mabigyan ng libreng puntos ang kalaban. He also told the setters that they need plays to break the blocking of Army. Coach Roger emphasized that they have been receiving very well in set number 2. That is why they were able to execute the attack. At he also emphasized on the fact na kailangan niya ng magandang service for this set. Back to you guys.
Yes, indeed. That's why they took the second set. In the meantime, the Salak special delivered. And Banaticla's getting her game going here. She might prove to be the heroine on the other side, while Dalia Cruz did that in game 2 for Army. We go to Banaticla. Malakas din kasi papali ito si Maru.
Oo, syempre with the beach volleyball experience she has. Malaking bagay din yun.
Salak. Balse. Gohing. Malayo masyado. You know what I love about Gohing is that pag mali niya, she admits it quickly.
Actually, yan ang number 1 trait ata ng lahat ng players. My fault. My bad. Oh, my bad.
Banaticla adjusts in mid-air. Bautista is hijacked. Balse misses!
In this rotation, they have Roses, Banaticla, and Santiago.
Nakita mo sa lips ni Ging Balse, no? Sabi niya, one stop. Gusto niya uli yung bola, but medyo basang-basa siya at this point. Sev Sementa, Andren Molia, and Ivy Remulla completing your broadcast team for today. In the meantime, the winner of this one moves into the finals against Cagayan. Nice reverse to Banaticla. Oh, one-hander by Nunag. Bautista caught, and that's 4 touches. The last 3 points have been scored by Smart Maynilad when it was 9-7, and suddenly it's now 12-7. Gohing, Ruby, advantage sa matangkad at mahaba. Bautista, pickpocketed.
And right now, the wall created by Santiago and Roses, making it impossible for Bautista to get it through.
Rexona, anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down.
Ano naman niya? Ang hirap lumusot.
Kahit hulugan mo, haba pa rin. Dalia Cruz has been reinserted into the lineup. Tinulungan pa ng net. Regalo. Alanganin lang si Banaticla. Balse wants a point. Dalia got to it. Cruz uncorks. Hule. Nunag is there for support. Jovelin. And mamatay-matay si Melissa Gohing.
Nagtinginan silang dalawa ni Valdez and they knew it. The ball fell right in the middle, right in between rather, of Gohing and Valdez.
That's the Rosa special. It's alive though. Banaticla. Hule.
Oh, Gonzaga with that excellent block.
That's the underrated part of Gonzaga's game actually. Her ability to block. Watch this. Tao rin pala binabantayan mo, no? Saan pupuntahin tayo? Kita mo sa mata ni Jovelin eh.
Kailangan mong hanapin, especially dun yung kamay, para yung angulo ng palo.
Oh, one-handed set. One-handed set. My God, what an adjustment in the air.
Sa bench pa, you have Jem Ferrer still on the bench. You have Soriano.
Hindi pa nagagamit.
Hindi pa pumapasok sa loob.
And minsan, nabutasan ng Smart Maynilad sa likod. Ilang beses na sila nabubutasan sa likod. Don't forget, Shakey's. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Banaticla will serve. Nunag, Salak, combination. Dalia Cruz is caught. Tinas ni Bunag. Hule! Double block. Cassini, look at her eyes. I told you.